In this video, we'll install the fuel filler neck, vent line, and fuel cap. Find the filler neck hose in the Stage 1 hardware box and push it onto the fuel tank. Slide on the two hose clamps from the K22F fuel tank hardware bag. Insert the donor filler neck into the hose and position it behind the mount plate. Use a T30 Torx to install the donor filler neck screws. Carefully bend the vent tube back as shown. Install the 5-inch long hose from the K22F bag onto one leg of the plastic T from the same bag. Do the same with the 1.5-inch long piece. Then push the 1.5-inch hose onto the steel vent tube. Push the 5-inch hose onto the brass barb in the fuel tank. Find the 3/8 nylon tubing in the Stage 1 hardware bag and cut a 4-foot long piece. Push the nylon tubing onto the middle leg of the plastic vent tee. Zip tie the tubing along the shoulder bar. Then turn the tubing down in front of the fuel tank. Use zip ties to hold it in place. Trim the line near the bottom of the tunnel. Tighten the hose clamps on the fuel filler neck hose. Place a towel in the fuel filler neck opening. Use a 9/32 drill bit to drill a hole in the filler neck plate. Install the strap in this hole and screw in the fuel cap.